Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and in today's film we're down at the seafront and harbour. I hadn't intended filming today, but there's a big race on, running race, so I thought I would film all the people making such a sterling effort. So we're coming out to the seafront, just behind Papantonio's. There's a little fish boy over there. There's actually a fisherman sitting by him as well today. I don't know if they might have finished by now. No, there's one up ahead, so I doubt he's the last one. There's the wooden pub. Ooh. And there's that Christmas decoration that's taken the battering. They've got a tree up now. You see it just up ahead. It surprised me a bit because they haven't had one of those in the past. Hopefully it's suitably sturdy when the storms hit. You can hear any music from the finishing line, which is by the castle, which might mean that the end of this film has a bog standard soundtrack as opposed to proper audio, because it might cause copyright issues. There was an ambulance going up there, and it seems to be coming back in now. I hope everyone was all right, and someone was a bit exhausted after their race. Which is what you can hear. Let's have a quick look at the little beach. It's got lots of seaweed on it at the moment. There are a few people swimming by the restaurant still there. And looks like there's a couple more up here as well. There's Eliane, where we got our webcam mounted. And the Captain's View restaurant. It's an incredibly calm sea this morning. I've already flown the drone, which is why I came down here. I didn't know there was a race on the tour or anything. I just came down so I needed some more Calimera shots, and lo and behold, the roads were closed and there was a big race. It's a bit of a bummer on one hand because it ages the pictures, because people get to see the Calimera from next week and see a runner on it and get a ha-ha, yeah, we took that last week. But I don't take one a day because I've got other things to do, so I tend to stockpile them. But they are all fairly decent.
I think it's just like the monitor.
Also, the trouble is when you've got a decent drone, you get so many decent pictures, but you can't post them all. People get irritated if they keep seeing picture after picture posted, so I have to limit myself. Ooh, I'm bombarded with birds now. I'm trying out my new gimbal. I seem to do a good job from footage I did at Coral Bay Strip yesterday. There's a tree. Complete roof. Is that a power line or a support line? It's just like a support rope. Oh, the road's still closed, so there may well still be runners to run. Go and get a look at the calm sea. Those birds are getting quite cheeky. Now, I've got another issue as well, isn't that because I wasn't expecting to do a film like this, I haven't got my hat with me. So there's a chance I could get sunburnt bonce. Because even in December when the sun comes out, it's quite hot and it's possible to get burned. So if I have a headache later in the day, I'll know why.
Y que jugué tenis ayer y que yo no, eso no cuenta, eso no cuenta.
See lots of the people coming this way are obviously runners who have finished. And seaweed is smelling the air. And if Henry will be on duty today. There's the archaeological park straight ahead. And the lizard lady on the left. Sometimes it's a lizard man. So it's going to get a bit more crowded in a minute and noisier. So enjoy this. I'll give you a quick pan round actually. Enjoy the serenity while you can. Look how calm it is though. Because normally I get very nice reflection shots when I'm flying the drone at twilight with all the lights. But I could even get reflections this morning. So they should look rather nice hopefully.
Hello.
Hello. What race was it? Cyprus Road Races Grand Prix. Okay. There you go. Horse's mouth and all that. Of course, had I known that there was a race on, I would have been on it. No, I wouldn't. There definitely needed an ambulance for me if I had gone on it. Right, the music's picking up. I think I'll be okay at the moment. Hopefully I'll be okay as far as Henry, so we can say hello to him. Ooh, someone's car alarm. Oh god, one Setias, there we go. They got them hanging up now. Someone said what they were. I know, more impressively I actually remember. Some more runners. Quite a lot more runners now. The race didn't go down here, by the way, I should add. It went past on the other side of the restaurants, past the car park. But it joins up again, up by the castle. You'll see in a minute. I'm just explaining why everyone's walking around so carefully. You see Henry doesn't know where to turn. Why aren't you out running then, Henry? Why aren't you out running?
It's a little bit busy today because I think they've got the marathon.
They have something like that. Anyway, I'll leave you to it because it's so cool. You know? Don't want to get in the way of him and his work. There's Santa Steve over there. He's looking even more regal now. God knows what he's wearing. Right, that music probably means that the audio is going to get stripped. But I'll whitter on anyway. If not, you'll just have to listen to, I'll probably put up a Christmas jingle. Just checking my head's at, not burnt. It's like they're recruiting for the army.
Déjame bien acá, me sprint.
I've no idea what's going on. I wonder if I can finish. Yeah. The Grand Walk, 60. They're celebrating 60 years of something or other. 60 years of the National Guard, according to that. I would go in and film so you could see what they were promoting. I don't think that's got anything to do with the land though. And there goes the copyright.
The winners, the first three women, men and ladies of the 10 kilometers medal Yemi run proceed for the award ceremony.
Οι ομάδες να μπουν στη θέση τους.
We proceed with the award ceremony for the 10 kilometers. Ladies! In three sessions, 10 kilometers με το Φιμί. Third place, 10 kilometers με το Φιμί run. Ευελίνα Πίτα. Congratulations! Thank you, παρακαλώ. Please put your hands together. The 10 kilometers με το Φιμί run. Η δεύτερη θέση, Αναστασία Σονισιεβά. Αναστασία. Second place, 10 kilometers. First place, Svetlana. Where are you? Svetlana. 10 kilometers winner.
So we've got in the way of anyone who's doing the running and wants to watch.
Βάλουν τα βραβεία τώρα.
So I come away from the celebrations and the presentation ceremony. I'll finish with a quick shot of some boats at the harbour. Hope you enjoyed that impromptu film, and well done to everyone who took part. Good effort. Cheers.